Before we begin, a gentle invitation. If you enjoy these guided meditations and wish to support future sessions, you can find a link below. Every little gesture helps me create more mindful moments for you. Thank you for being here. Welcome, dear friend. Today, we are practicing a 15-minute loving kindness meditation, also known as Metta practice. This meditation is about opening the heart, cultivating compassion, and sending gentle wishes of kindness to ourselves and to the world. Find a comfortable seat, perhaps cross-legged on the floor, or on a chair with your feet resting on the ground. Let your spine grow tall but relaxed. Rest your hands gently on your lap, and whenever you're ready, softly close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and a slow and long breath out. Allow yourself to arrive fully in this moment. Notice the morning forest around you, the stillness, the soft breath of the earth. Feel the ground beneath you holding and supporting you. Take another slow inhale and exhale. Let your body settle. We begin by offering loving kindness to ourselves. Silently repeat these gentle phrases after me. May I be safe. May I be healthy. May I live with ease. May I be happy. Repeat these words softly in your mind, like a quiet song. If you want, you can repeat only one of those. As you breathe, imagine your heart as a warm light, glowing softly with compassion. With every breath, let this light grow brighter, embracing all of you. Again, silently repeat, may I be safe. May I be healthy. May I live with ease. May I be happy. Now, bring to mind someone you love, a dear friend, a family member, someone who brings joy to your heart. See their face gently before you and offer them the same kindness. May you be safe. May you be healthy. May you live with ease. May you be happy. Let your loving kindness expand further to someone neutral in your life, perhaps a neighbor, a colleague, or someone you don't know well. Imagine them now and repeat, may you be safe. May you be healthy. May you live with ease. May you be happy. And now, expand your compassion to someone with whom you may have difficulties. Without judgment, allow them to be human, just as you are. Send them gentle wishes. May you be safe. May you be healthy. May you live with ease. May you be happy. Let the circle grow wider. Envelop all beings in this forest, in this land, across the entire world. Every person, every creature, silently send out this wave of kindness. May all beings be safe. May all beings be healthy. May all beings live with ease. May all beings be happy. Take a deep breath in and a soft breath out. Gently bring awareness back to your body, to the space around you. Notice the light, the air, the sounds. Slowly wiggle your fingers and toes. When you are ready, softly open your eyes. May you carry this compassion with you into your day. Thank you for practicing with me. If this meditation touched your heart, consider subscribing for more mindfulness journeys. And if you'd like to support future creations, you'll find the link below. Wishing you peace, kindness, and a beautiful day ahead.